I guess here most of them get wrong answer for this problem. Wrong order here. 18 divided by 3 times. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 18 divided by 3 times 3 is 9. Here 18 divided by 9 is 2 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 2 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication, division both are equal priority. Also this addition, subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this division and multiplication. Here 18 divided by 3 times, here bracket is 2 plus 1 is 3. Here the next priority is exponent. In this problem we don't have the exponent, so we are moving to multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. Here both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right one is this 18 divided by 3 is 6 times this 3. Here 6 times 3 is 18 is the correct answer.